Okay, so we're in video right now. And if you look over here, it says narrow. So if you look through the viewfinder, you can see it's kind of like just how your iPhone would see it, right? So now I want to change that. So if I tap on it, what it's going to do, it's a little finicky. It's going to give me the sliding scale, which I could slide it or I could tap it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the very top, and it's going to give me that view that you usually get with sports cameras. And that's a super view. Now look at the difference. You see how you get like this bend here, right there? It gives you that like fisheye look, right? So let's come back and let's go down. Here's a wide, but you still get that fisheye bend in it, don't you? Come down a little bit farther. Now that's linear. Now you're starting to see straightness. Now that one's, it's still kind of like zoomed out, but it's much better than those fisheye ones. And then you've got the narrow, and right above narrow, I think we've got another linear, which is a horizontal leveling. So anyway, if you notice, if you go this, that's going to be a regular shot. If you want to get that big shot, panoramic, you can do it that way. It's up to you. And then when you click here, it's going to come down here. It's going to tell you what it is. S for super view. It's going to be over here, S for super view. And that's how you change like the what you're looking at. It's kind of like zooming out or zooming in. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the Hero 10 Black sports camera by GoPro. Peace out.